Welcome back to this channel, guys. So the whole of today I wasn't in any trade, right? I was in a trade yesterday, this short trade that I took, but I think I'm going to leave it for a couple of days. It was on Euro USD. So I wasn't in any trade today, but one of you guys were having a problem with today's 714 method, right? How you could have entered into a trade using today's 714 method. So let's see how we could solve it for him. Probably most of you guys who are having a problem with it, you guys to kind of learn from it and now know how to enter into a trade. So the thing was simple. His problem was, you see, when you look at the 714 method, it's very simple. We either be in a downtrend during the 714 method or what, an uptrend, right? Simple as that. But looking at this, you can see that we were in a downtrend during the beginning of the 714 method, and at the end we were kind of in an uptrend again. So making this even, right, is like, it's just simple like this. This was what happened. So this is the downtrend, this is the uptrend, so everything is equal. So how could you have entered into a trade using the 714 method during this level? So first thing you should know is, after the 714 method, that is after this 1 hour period, right, there is going to be a change in movement. Whether it's going to be in an uptrend or a downtrend, there is going to be a change in movement. So that's your first clue. And your second clue is that, or your second thing, the second thing you should have used to understand a place or where to enter into the trade is, you see, despite here we are in what, an equal trend. When you look at this level, this is a level that can be broken. That's a support right there, and this is a resistance right here, and inside here is a very nice fair value gap. So when price breaks through this resistance right here and retest this fair value gap, then you enter a buy, right? Simple as that. When price also disrespects this fair value gap right here, so let's look at this. When price also disrespects this fair value gap right here, that is, it also does what? It comes all the way down to this level, right? Disrespecting this fair value gap and has a what? A retest. Then you do what? You enter into the trade, or if it retests this what? Support right here, you enter into the trade downwards. Simple as that. So let's see what happened. So by the looks of this, price did not do what? Price did not break out this resistance right here, right? Price did not break out the resistance, but it disrespected this fair value gap. That means it cancelled the fair value gap, making it invalid, whilst giving us another what's very nice fair value gap right here. So you could have used this fair value gap as your entry if price breaks through this level, right? If it breaks through this level, then pulls back to this fair value gap right here, then you enter a sell. Very simple, with this level at your what? Your first TP. Simple as that. So this is what you could have done. So this right here could have been your setup, right? This should have been your setup. What you should have done, this is what you should have done, because this fair value gap here is disrespected. And when price breaks through this level, right? If this level is breaking through, this will be your setup. Simple as that, because you know that if this fair value gap is disrespected with another fair value gap, that fair value gap will surely be respected. Then it will come down, right? So simple as that. This could have been your setup. So let's see what happened after that. So as you can see right here, price actually moved and respected the fair value gap, right? So your trades could have been taken around this level. You could have been inside a trade around that level. Now it doesn't matter whether someone enters into a trade at this level or very far, they can still get a little amount, and you enter into a trade at this level or waiting for a respectful entry, you still get a higher amount of money, more than what they actually got, right? So it's very simple. Your trade could have been taken right here, and this will be your first TP, right? So let's see what happens. So pretty much simple. Within some couple of minutes, your first TP could have been hit. Then you'll be looking for places to put your second TP, right? For the meantime, then you bring your stop loss that was way up here. You can bring it all the way down to this level right here. You see, this place is a very nice level that you could have brought your stop loss, right? So simple as that. Securing all this level. So even if price moved all the way back to this level, you are still safe. You don't care. So that's just what you could have done. I hope this video helps. So you can see the price actually moved all the way back, but your stop loss was already here, right? So it wouldn't have mattered whether price moved to it or not, or you could have also gone out of the trade around this level. This is a change of character, right? Simple as that. Now you guys should subscribe. Then ask any questions. If there's anything you just want me to explain for you, just do it. Let's see how we can explain it, or we can break it down for you to understand a little much better. I'll see you guys in the next video.